Hi, so it's time to build our new VM, and in this lab, I'm gonna show you how to, of course, um, we'll focus on how we'll configure an Azure uh, um, Linux VM. So Linux VM, depending about your accent, okay, so but in this situation, we will see how to create a web server. So for this situation, I need to create a web server. Let's focus on my here. Let's do that. Okay, and so I will take my pen. Yeah, folks, because I have a super Wacom tablet. I don't know if you see it. Okay, I don't know if you see it here, but it's a Wacom, and I'm doing all drawing like this. Okay, so since you know my site, uh, so I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do. Um, let's go here. We're going to create a new VM. And in my situation, the thing is that I want to create um, a new Azure instance. So we're talking about virtual machine. So I'm going to create a new VM like you do on premise, and we're gonna deploy imagine a web server. So a web server. Okay. Like for example, e-commerce. Okay, let's say that you want to deploy on this VM web server e-commerce. And I'm going to show you how to create, first we'll see how to create a Linux VM. So Linux VM, let's stop my video here, okay, just do that here. And I'm going to show you how to create this Linux VM. And we're going to use the Azure portal for that. Okay, we can use CLI, but we're going to use a new VM. And after, I will show you how to connect with SSH port 20 with our private key. Um, and and lastly, we will install on this VM the latest OS update, and after we will install Nginx 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 web server. So the first thing is that we're going to create this VM. So let's go Fox. Okay, so let's do it now. Yep. Let's create our first VM. So I'm going to stop this record and create another one. Okay, so see you in the next record. Stay with me. Ciao.